Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Defender Razor Company's new metal blades that just came out. These new metal blades come in 4 different styles: matte silver, matte black, polished silver, and polished black. They sent me these for review in exchange for allowing them to use my original Defender Razor review in their ad campaign, which I'm super excited about. Let's get right into the unboxing. When asked which one I wanted to go with, I asked to go with the polished black. This is what the packaging looks like for the polished black. When asked which one I wanted to go with, I chose to go with the polished black because I felt like in the photos that was the one that looked the nicest. So let's see what it actually looks like out of the box. So this is what it looks like up close and personal. I really like this shiny look. It's definitely very solid, easy to grip, and has a little bit of weight to it. They also sent me this polished black base, which is really cool. I like how kind of shiny this thing is. You can use this to hold your handle in place when you're done with it, and this thing has quite a bit of weight to it too, so your handle's not going anywhere. They also clearly paid close attention to my original video. They knew that I like the extra sensitive blade, so they sent me 3 packs of these 4 cartridges of the extra sensitive blades, which I'm very thankful for. There's also this bag here. We're gonna open that up and see what's in it. I was actually recording without my microphone earlier today, without my microphone on, so I'm basically, this is not a genuine unboxing because I just unboxed everything like 2 minutes ago. So sorry about that. What's inside this is their Defender Shave Oil. This is a very nice bottle. I love this. It actually looks like it would be a cologne, and when I originally opened this bag, I actually thought they sent me a cologne that they make, but it's shave oil, so we're gonna try that, and I'll let you guys know how that does too. They also sent me this Defender Shave Cream, so we'll be using that and see how that does and let you guys know. In the box, there's a letter from the Defender team from Stephanie, who I was working with originally. So now I'm gonna use these and let you guys know all about it later. And if you want to check out my original Defender Razor video, you can check that out over here, or you can check out this video. It's going to change your life. And if you're into these short, to the point videos and reviews on things I buy and try, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.